I managed to lose 10 pounds by incorporating this healthy snack into my routine whenever those snack cravings hit. Now, let's create these avocado and cucumber bites that you won't want to miss. Grab your mixer and let's get started. Drop in one ripe avocado, half a cup of fresh basil leaves, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, one garlic clove, and season it with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and ground pepper. Now blend everything until it turns into a smooth, creamy puree. Take each cucumber slice and spread a generous layer of the avocado goodness. To elevate the flavor, crown each slice with half of a tomato slice. Drizzle some Greek yogurt on top. It adds that creamy richness that ties everything together. And there you have it. Our avocado and cucumber bites are ready to be savored. If you love this recipe or have your own healthy snack stories, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like my page for more delicious recipes.